All right, I'm riding back to my Airbnb, to one of my Airbnbs, since I am in San Antonio. Let me go ahead and check this out. Check out my Airbnb, and while I'm there, I have a guest. Actually, I have a guest checking out today. She was there for 2 days, and she's checking out today. So while I'm in the city, it's always good to check out your own Airbnb randomly, rather than just always letting the cleaner do that for you. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna actually clean the house today, and by doing that I get to save $250. And I know that might not sound a lot to you, but hey, that could, I could just use that money to buy, a little bit tinklers for the house, and that guest will appreciate. I can actually take that $250 and add it back to the house, and guests will appreciate, little things that money will purchase, even like small flowers here and there, artificial flowers. So this Airbnb thing is quite easy once you master how to do your numbers, calculate your numbers before you purchase the property. I don't do arbitrage. I prefer ownership. Ownership is always key. You can switch out what you use the property for, so you're not paying someone else's rent. So today I go out there while I'm cleaning, check out the property, because there's always something to improve in your own property, and you will have an eye, you will see it the way that the cleaner will not see it. I'm not talking about cleaning dirt, I'm talking about there little cracks here and there, something is off. You will catch it and you will fix it, and your guests will appreciate it. It will show up on your 5-star reviews. And this is my own personal experience. Always check your own properties out. All right, so I'm go there and give you all the tour. This guest, it was her birthday, and she had actually more guests than that was on the itinerary. Usually I don't really like let my house be used for events or parties. However, she was on the older side. She's like 55, was her 55 birthday, so I kind of just let it slide. And she was wonderful as can be. She was wonderful as can be and understanding. And always, I know this video is kind of all over the place. This is my first video towards how I run my Airbnb, because usually I'm more on the Freedom channel, traveling, the new American dream, which is being mobile, making your money on the go and not be tethered to one place or to one particular location. So yeah, in terms of review, always ask for the review when they are leaving the first thing. And I have this review thing which I can put a link or show you all what it looks like, that I always tell people how the Airbnb or the VRBO review process works or system works, so they don't leave you a 4-star review and thinking they're leaving you a good review. Let them know anything less than a 5-star review on Airbnb is actually considered a bad review. So ask for it and stay in communication with them, so anything comes up you could deal with it as it's coming up. And guests, they truly appreciate that when there's a problem and you are there to solve it. Not there in terms of physical, but communicating with them and contacting a handyman or whatever type of professional for that, whatever problem it is, for that to be solved. All right, I'm gonna give you a tour how the place looks like. Hopefully they didn't leave it a mess, because whenever you have people host events in your home, they leave it a mess. That's how I put it. Is very clear on my house rules before they book. And if they doing that, I try to let Airbnb know so they can be asked to nicely leave the house. All right, it looks like they're still here. It's 11:04. All right, I'm gonna give them 10 to 15 minutes. All right, and we didn't discuss late checkout, so I'm gonna let them. I'm gonna give them a 10 to 15 more minutes before I contact them. Jesus, the trash can is filled up all the way, like it's almost overflowing. Hopefully they didn't leave the house a mess. All right, let's just circle around. Since they are still in the house, let me circle around here and wait for them to gather their things. Circle around and wait here. Give them 15. Usually during peak season, when I have the same day in turnover, because this particular house is quite big. It's 28 square footage, 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2 living rooms, 2 dining rooms, plus you have the backyard, the pool, the farm. It's a lot to clean, so I don't really, during peak season, the same day turnover, I don't let guests stay a minute over, because that takes the time to clean and get you ready for the next guest, and do the laundry and all that stuff. Then depending on what condition they leave, some guests they'll leave, you have to like scrub the whole place. You have to scrub it down. Some guests they'll leave like, wow, they respect your home and treat you with kindness and cleanliness. Those type of guests I truly appreciate, and I'll let you know in their review, in the public review that I leave them, because I appreciate stuff like that. It makes the turnover easy, because when you have to spend time scrubbing it, you're rushing, getting it ready for the next guest, and you end up not cleaning the house the way it should be, or you have to ask the guest to please give you more time, and in doing so I have to compensate the guest, like giving them a gift card to one of the restaurants close by to go eat on us, and that's an extra expense, but they appreciate it. However, I don't want guests to stay a minute over on peak seasons. All right, I'm gonna report back to you guys. Stay tuned. All right, looks like they finally checked out. All right, let's go check out the house. Let's go check out the house. Lock the door. Hello? Anyone in here? Housekeeping. Some little flowers. All right, things looks clean. Dishwasher running the loaded dishwasher. That's good. All right. Ooh. goodness. The exceptional certain things being rearranged. Looks like they didn't use this room. All right. Anyone here? Hello? All right. Let's put some cigarettes. Camel. Oh. Yeah, I don't smell cigarettes, so they didn't smoke in here. That's good. Wow, they even made the beds. I mean, we're still gonna strip it and clean it. Alright, so yeah. Alright, I'm gonna get on it, get cleaning. House looks good. Doesn't look a mess. So I'm gonna start doing laundry and cleaning. Alright, start stripping the bed. Alright, I'm gonna start stripping the bed and start cleaning. Just put all this downstairs. Alright, thank y'all. Talk to you later. Alright guys, I need to go get something to eat. I got done cleaning earlier, but I got other projects around the house that I started doing. So everything is all cleaned up. Right now I'm about to go get me something to eat. Got done cleaning earlier. Alright, go get me something to eat. Back from getting something to eat, so right, the house is all cleaned up and staged. So let me give you so let's go this way. Everything is all good to go. I'm turning on and off the lights. House is ready to go. I got done cleaning earlier, but I had a couple of stuff that I had to do in the house. Yeah, the restroom. Working on. Let me plug it in. Actually, turn this one on. So I was hanging additional string lights for the pool area. So I received feedback from guests that it was kind of dark during the night. So I went ahead and added those string lights. So the reason why I added these string lights is to give this area more light, because I don't have any big lights around here. As you can see, I still have to add a little more lights here. What I was gonna do originally around, this is the pool and the spa, originally is hang it from there and go across, connect it to the house, anchor it on the house, and then connect it to the switch. However, one of my neighbors commented to me that if I hang it that high, this neighbor here might be getting the lights shining through their window when they're trying to sleep. If I have a guest that they are here and they turn the lights on, that might be a reflector on all the gap. The neighbor might be getting the light hit through their window. So that was a very intelligent comment. So I just decided to hang it around the fence, so it still gives this area tremendous amount of light. Yeah, I like the. Let me know what y'all think. Comment. Leave a comment on the comment section. Let me know what y'all think. You like it? Don't like it? Let me know what you think. Yeah. All right. So we out. All done. Bye.